Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the parts and workspace so nothing contaminates the stem. Once ready, power off the AirPods Pro and wipe each earbud. This reduces debris that blocks the connector. Next, grip the rubber tip at its base. Do not pull the silicone only, then twist gently while pulling straight out. This separates the tip from the plastic nozzle. You do this because the tip has a locking ring. A twist aligns the ring to release, without tearing the silicone or stressing the nozzle. Once the old tip is off, inspect the nozzle and the replacement tip for damage or debris. A tiny particle can prevent a secure seal. Then align the inner ring and any notch on the new tip to the nozzle and press straight on. You should feel a tactile click or firm resistance when it locks. Make sure to press until seated fully. After fitting, rotate the tip gently and perform a light suction test to confirm the acoustic seal and proper fit, which prevents sound loss and keeps noise cancellation effective. You finish by testing audio and noise cancellation so you can detect leaks or imbalance immediately. Play familiar audio and toggle ANC. If you notice poor seal or rubbing noise, remove the tip and inspect the nozzle. Use a toothpick and 70% alcohol sparingly to clear debris, dry fully, then retry. If the tip tears or still won't lock, replace it. Damaged inner rings won't seal. Make sure to use correct size replacement tips to maintain comfort, sound quality, and proper function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.